In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up registration for Zoom meetings. By the end, you'll know exactly how to require attendees to register before they receive a unique join link, which helps you manage attendance and keep your meetings organized. First, sign in to the Zoom web portal using your browser. This is the online dashboard, not the desktop app, and it's where meeting settings live. Make sure you're signing in with the account that owns the meeting or has permission to schedule on behalf of the host. Once you're in, go to the left-hand menu and click Meetings. This takes you to your meeting dashboard, where you can see upcoming and previous meetings and your personal meeting room. From here, you can either set up something new or adjust an existing meeting. If you want to create a new meeting with registration, click Schedule a Meeting. Fill out your usual meeting details, like the topic, date and time zone, and any description you want attendees to see. If you already have a meeting on the calendar and want to add registration to it, simply select that meeting from your list to open its settings. Either approach works, and the registration option is in the same place. Next, locate the registration setting and turn it on. Depending on your layout, it may appear as registration, required with a checkbox or toggle. Enabling this means participants must register before Zoom emails them a personalized join link. This is helpful for tracking who plans to attend and can reduce unwanted or anonymous access. Now click Save. After saving, you'll land on the meeting summary page. You should see a registration section with a registration link. That link is what you share with invitees, instead of the raw meeting join link. When people register, Zoom will handle approvals based on your account's default settings, and registrants will automatically receive confirmation with their unique link. If you want to fine-tune details like whether approvals are manual or automatic, customize confirmation emails, or add registration questions, those options appear on this page after saving. They're optional and can be adjusted later without changing the steps you just followed. Here's a quick recap. Sign into the Zoom web portal, click Meetings, schedule a new meeting, or open an existing one, turn registration to on, and click Save. For smoother events, consider testing your registration link in a private browser window to see what attendees experience, and include a clear description with the agenda and time zone. If any options are locked, your organization's admin may control them. That's all it takes to enable registration for your Zoom meetings,